There is no judicial supremacy. This is an artifact of the Warren Court in 1958. In the Federalist Papers, Alexander Hamilton says, the judiciary is the weakest of the three branches and will inevitably lose in a fight with the two elected branches, the legislative and the executive. In the Judicial Reform Act of 1802, Thomas Jefferson, whose Secretary of State was James Madison, so you have to assume the two of them knew something about the Constitution. They abolish 18 out of 35 federal judges. They say, go away. You don't have a job anymore. Several of them tried to file a lawsuit claiming that it was unconstitutional, and the judges they went to said to them, are you crazy? If we agree to hear the lawsuit, they'll abolish our office. It's a huge fight. People forget. In the Declaration of Independence, look at it sometime and look at the number of citations of British judges. The second most popular complaint of the American people after no taxation without representation was imperial British judges acting as dictators. Now, when you have a judge who in San Antonio on June 1st issued a ruling that not only could students not pray at a high school graduation, they could not use the word prayer, they could not use the word God, they could not use the word benediction, they could not ask the audience to stand, and he would arrest the superintendent if any student broke his order. That judge is about as anti-American as you can get. This is a country founded by a document which says we are endowed by our Creator. I'm against state religions. Let me be clear about this. This is not about theology. But this is about an unending effort to fundamentally change America. This is about judges who now cite the Zimbabwe court and other foreign courts. And we're going to have a very big fight over the proper role of the judicial branch because the idea that appointed lifetime lawyers get to dictate the future of America is crazy. Jefferson was asked about it at one point and said that would be an oligarchy. Lincoln, in his first inaugural, speaking of the Dred Scott decision, which would have extended slavery to the whole country, said if 9 appointed people can define the Constitution of the United States to the exclusion of the legislative and executive branch, we have ceased to be a free country. And this is a topic that deserves serious fundamental conversation as a country.